Sakubona. Let me teach you some easy to remember Ndebele words that you can begin using today. And obviously I'll teach you sentences that use those words. Simple sentences. We're keeping it very simple in this series because it's for beginners. Okay, so the idea is this. In any language, the more vocabulary you have, the more confident you are to speak that language. Okay, but if you have to continually stop to say, how do I say this? What's the word for this? It disturbs the flow of your speech. All right, so I'm going to be giving you this series of simple Ndebele words accompanied by very short and simple sentences that you can begin to use today. You know, the more you practice, the better you become. So don't be shy. Go ahead and use these things that I'm teaching you and just communicate. Speak in Ndebele, you know. Yeah. So the first word I have for you is inhlabathi, which means soil. Okay? Inhlabathi. That's how we pronounce it. So this is what you could say. Here's a simple sentence using inhlabathi. Ungadli inhlabathi. Do not eat soil. So this is a sentence you most likely use with little kids. All right. Ungadli inhlabathi. Don't eat the soil. Number 2, umlilo. Umlilo means what? Fire. Okay. Basa umlilo. Start a fire. That's how you tell someone. Start a fire. Basa umlilo. Go and start a fire. Hamba uyobasa umlilo. Alright. The next word I have for you is udaga. So udaga means mud. Phandle kulodaga. There is mud outside. Phandle means outside. All right. Number 4, we have isigodo. Isigodo is a stick. Okay. Doba isigodo leso. Pick up that stick. Doba means pick up. All right. Lastly, amanzi, which means water. Okay. Ngicela amanzi okunatha. May I have water to drink? All right. See you in the next lesson.